Today, the White House confirmed President Biden has the BA.5 variant of the COVID virus. After nearly 4 days of treatment, Mr. Biden's doctors say the president is feeling well, but he does still have a sore throat. Now, as he recovers, lawmakers in Washington are discussing plans to call more witnesses before the January 6th committee. CBS's Christina Ruffini is at the White House with more on that.
Good evening, Jerika. That's right. The committee says throughout these hearings, more evidence has been found and more people have come forward they want to talk to. And they want to do more interviews, including with the wife of a sitting Supreme Court justice.
I hope they're watching. I hope they're watching carefully. And I hope they understand the implications of what we're presenting.
On Face the Nation, Representative Adam Schiff said the Justice Department should open an investigation into former President Donald Trump.
Whether they'll ultimately conclude they have proof beyond a reasonable doubt to charge him and to convict him, that will be up to the department.
Meanwhile, Schiff and other January 6 committee members say they want to hear from more witnesses, including Ginni Thomas, wife of conservative Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas.
The committee is engaged with her counsel.
In March, CBS News and the Washington Post reported that Ginni Thomas sent more than a dozen messages to then-President Trump's chief of staff, Mark Meadows, urging him to pursue unrelenting efforts to overturn the 2020 election results.
We certainly hope that she will agree to come in voluntarily, but the committee is fully prepared to contemplate a subpoena if she does not.
Following the conviction of former Trump advisor Steve Bannon on 2 counts of contempt of Congress Friday, the committee is hoping other reluctant witnesses will consent to interviews.
You can plead the 5th if you want in front of our committee, but you can't ignore a congressional subpoena or you'll pay the price.
If I announced that I was not going to run for office, the persecution of Donald Trump would immediately stop.
At a rally in Tampa Saturday, former President Trump made personal attacks against Cheney and said he will not be deterred.
They're coming after me because I am standing up for you.
Now, the committee also wants to talk to members of former President Trump's cabinet, and we should expect more hearings in September. Jerika?
Christina Ruffini at the White House. Thanks.